Hello Primary 4 students, how are you? Welcome in your science class with me, Dr. Shema Hamdi Qasim, and your channel, the Big Sister channel. As now we will study lesson 2 from concept 2, unit 1, as we have here activity 6 that have the title Sensing the Environment. As we will talk about a rodent that called Egyptian Jerboa or jumping Jerboa, and from its name, so it jumps a lot and hops, yes? So let us see the jumping Jerboa, okay? As we will see how the structural adaptations and the nervous system work together to help the Jerboa survive. As the jumping Jerboa, as you see here, it is a desert rodent, okay? So it lives in desert in hot climate. It searches for food at night. So we can say that the jumping Jerboa is a nocturnal animal because it searches for food at night. And it has some adaptations that we will see now. As you see here, it has long hind legs and large sensitive ears. Okay, as you see here, this is the hind legs, okay? And it has large sensitive ears. In this picture, it is a small Jerboa, so the large ears aren't clear here, but it has large and sensitive ears. So they have sharp sense of hearing, and they have long hind legs as we saw. And those, can you tell me, those are structural adaptation or behavioral adaptations? Yes, structural adaptations. Yes, well done. Also, Jerboa's feet and toes have hair. If you focus here, you will find hair in the Jerboa's feet and toes. And we will know why the Jerboa has these structural adaptations. As first, if we have question, give reasons for Jerboa has large and sensitive ears. So this is a structural adaptation, and the answer will be to detect even a quiet snake, to hear any noise. Okay, so this is to hear even a quiet snake. Okay, we said that the Jerboa has long hind legs. So give reasons for Jerboa has long hind legs to enable it jump a long distance, as this help the Jerboa to jump long distance. As you see here, how amazing! How fast does the Jerboa jump? See? And what do you notice here while the Jerboa jumping? Yes, it grips the sand. Okay, so grip means hold the sand, and this is because the Jerboa has hair in its feet and toes. So Jerboa's feet and toes have hair, and this is a structural adaptation, as we know, and this is to help it grips the sand when it hops and jumps. So to grip the sand when it hops and jumps, as we watched. Here, just for fun, what's the difference between hop and jump? This is hopping, okay, as this man or this clown. And this is jumping, and this boy is jumping, okay? So here, let us watch the Jerboa. As it's very fast, it can jump quickly, and this is because of its long, strong hind legs, and the Jerboa's feet and toes have hair to grip the sand when the Jerboa jumps and hops. And if we see the path of the Jerboa while it is jumping, we will see that it jumps in a zigzag pattern. zigzag pattern as it jumps once to the right and then to the left, so it goes like a zigzag pattern. So why? This is a behavioral adaptation because this is a change in the behavior or action, as Jerboa hops in zigzag pattern to escape quickly from danger. And this helps the Jerboa to escape quickly from danger, to run quickly from danger, okay? So here, as we said, that the Jerboa has sensitive ears, large sensitive ears, so the Jerboa has sharp sense of hearing. So now, we will see how these structural adaptations in the nervous system work together to help the Jerboa survive. As now we will watch how do all parts of Jerboa's body work together to avoid danger. As you see here, if the Jerboa is attacked by the snake, as the Jerboa hear with its sensitive large ears a noise of snake, so the sensory receptors in the Jerboa's ears send message through a network of nerves to its brain. And then the brain process and translate this message and alerts its legs to move and alerts the leg to move, the long hind legs of the Jerboa. The Jerboa's strong hopping legs start to jump from the danger of the snake in a zigzag path. And as you see here, these all happen in less than 1 second, okay? How do all parts of the Jerboa work together to avoid danger? As when a snake makes noise, it comes near a Jerboa to hunt it, so the sensitive ears of the Jerboa hear the snake, and the sensory receptors in the Jerboa's ears send a message through the network of nerves to the brain, and the brain translates and processes this information. Then it alerts the legs to move. So here, the strong hopping legs of the Jerboa start to jump from the danger in a zigzag pattern so that it can escape quickly. So here we saw how the sharp sense of hearing and its strong legs for jumping work together with the nervous system to help it survive. So here, as we said, that this response happens in less than 1 second, and this time that taken by the body of living organism to respond, to react to different information, as here the example was about avoiding danger. This time taken by the body is called reaction time. So we can say that the reaction time of the Jerboa to avoid danger takes less than 1 second. Okay, so again, reaction time, it is the time taken by the body of living organism to respond or react to different information from the environment. So here, if we want to compare between the response to danger in both Jerboa and human, as you see here, it will depend on the sensory receptors. Okay, it is relying on the sensory receptors and nerves and brain, and this is all to sense and communicate the messages. So if a person touch the spines of the cactus, so the reaction time will be very fast, as the hand will move quickly, okay? And also the Jerboa, if it is in danger, so it will move quickly from the danger. So we can say both human and Jerboa avoid danger, as the Jerboa hops in zigzag patterns, so it can escape quickly from danger, and the human moves quickly his hand away when it touches the spines of cactus plant. So with this information, we finished our lesson. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next video, inshallah, and goodbye.